Thank you for the follow-up question on our how to build a Twitter clone in bubble.io video. This is how you can add in a profile page to your Twitter clone, or your X clone as it's now called. So I've got a simple function here. I'm able to tweet, and I'm able to view a timeline of tweets. And let's go ahead and add in a profile. But before I do that, we've got more Bubble tutorial videos than you can find on YouTube. You can only find them on our website, planetnocode.com. Some of our videos are exclusive to our members, so you need to head over to our website if you're serious about learning Bubble. Let's get to that profile page. So I'm going to add in a page and call it profile. And I'm not concentrating on design at all here, simply because then that would take too long. So my profile is going to be like if someone was to click on my image on one of my tweets on this platform, this is what they'd see. So they should then see a list of my tweets. And so they're going to go and view a page that is all about me, and I'm an individual user. And so the type of content is going to be user. That is setting up this page to be a template that I can then deploy, and then anyone who clicks through to this page and sends a user unique ID, and I'll show you how to do that during this video, they'll get to see that user. So I'm going to make this really simple. I'll just put in a header at the top, and now I can interact with the data that's sent through to the current page. So current page is username, repeating group, and so this will be tweets, and I'll do a search for tweets where the created by equals the same user who I'm viewing on this page. So not current user, because that's me, but current page user. I'm then going to sort them by created date, reverse order, so the most recent is at the top. Let's put in fact, I'm going to copy from my index page. Just copy that, because this is what I've already designed. Again, very rough for an individual tweet. When I'm copying and pasting this across, it's not going to copy across the workflows unless I was to right click and do copy workflows. So none of these buttons are going to work. I'm just simply wanting to get the design across. And I'll change this to a column and then paste it in. Get rid of the fixed number of rows. Okay, how do I link through to this page? I need to do that now so that I can test it. So I'll go back onto my index page, and I'm just going to link through the username. So I'll add a workflow. When the username is clicked, I navigate to page, profile, current group's tweet, creator. Let's preview that. So yes, this is me clicking through to view my own profile, but it would work just as well if I had other users in this database. In this demo app, I don't have any other users registered, but if I click through, I can then see all of the tweets in the timeline. Now, that is how I would go about creating a profile page. I'm going to point out a few extra things for you while I'm here. You can set the profile page slug. You need to do that maybe during the user registration. That is basically how you would ensure that the profile page, if we look at the URL here, this is the unique ID of the profile of the user that I'm looking at. And you can replace that with a custom slug. You might want to make that the username if you're building a Twitter clone just like this in Bubble. Also, this is not how I'd go about creating and edit my profile page. Like edit my profile page. I've seen people get quite confused. I can see how easy it is to do with this type of content. If I'm viewing a page that is just about the current user, I don't need to pass the current user into this page. I can simply create a group, and I can say this group's data, and then any fields, any form elements in that are the current users. So if I'm viewing my own profile in order to edit it like a settings page, I wouldn't expect to see a unique ID up here. In fact, right now I'm going to record a second part to this video of how to go about creating a settings page within this app.